Hey everyone, are you tired of squatting and squatting, but only your front thighs get sore, not your butt? Well, today we're going to change all that. I'm Coach Ryan Long. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to squat to really work your glutes, not just your front thighs. Make sure to watch the whole video. Your glutes will thank you for it. Let's be real, most people who squat don't really know how to hit the right muscles. And if you're a lady wanting a firm, round, and curvy butt, you might be squatting all wrong. Maybe you're leaning too far forward, letting your knees do most of the work, or even worse, doing your squats like a leg press machine. Here's the thing, if your squats are all knees and front thighs, you're missing out on building your glutes, and you could even get hurt. That's why we're going to fix your squat from the ground up. I mean it. Let's start with the basics, your form. Alright, now I'm gonna break it down step by step, super easy to follow. First up, your posture. It's super important. Keep your spine nice and straight. Don't arch your back or hunch over. Chest up. Tighten your tummy muscles like someone's about to poke you in the belly. Why does this matter? Because a straight and strong upper body helps send the work to your hips and butt. Second, push your hips back first. Don't bend your knees first. Lots of people bend their knees first. That's not right. Here's how. Push your hips back like you're going to sit in a chair behind you. Then your knees will bend, but don't let them go over your toes. Think of it like this. Hips go back first, knees follow. Third, knees out, not caving in. Your knees should point the same way as your toes. Don't let them fall in. If this is hard, try putting a resistance band around your thighs. It makes you work to keep your knees out, and that really wakes up your hip and butt muscles. Now let's talk about where to put your feet. Stand a little wider than your shoulders. Point your toes out a bit like a duck, but not too much. About 15 to 30 degrees. Why? Because this helps open up your hips and get your butt muscles more involved. How low you go really matters for your glutes. You need to squat down so your thighs are parallel to the floor, or even a little lower, to really get those glutes working hard. Little tip, if you don't go low enough, you'll mostly use your front thigh muscles. Go low, but be safe, and your butt muscles will really feel it. This thing called time under tension, that's how long your muscles are working hard. It's super important. Going too fast won't help your muscles grow. Don't just bounce up and down, and don't rush it. Go down slowly. Pause for a tiny bit at the bottom, then push back up by squeezing your butt muscles really tight like you're trying to crack a walnut with them. Breathing right doesn't just help you keep going. It actually helps you control your muscles better. Breathe in as you go down. Breathe out hard as you push up when you're squeezing those glutes. Try this rhythm. Go down for 3 seconds, hold for 1 second, then push up strong. This speed helps you control it better, and make sure you're not just bouncing up using momentum. Okay, now let's look at some common mistakes that might be stopping your squats from working your butt. First mistake, leaning too far forward. When that happens, your lower back and front thighs do all the work, and your butt hardly does anything. How to fix it? You need to make your core muscles stronger, and remember to fix your starting position. Second mistake, your knees shoot forward, but your hips don't move back. If your knees bend first and your hips don't go back, then your front thighs are doing all the work, not your butt. How to fix it? Remember that hip hinge move. Always think about that. Third mistake, not going low enough. If your squats are too shallow, your butt muscles only get a little bit of work. How to fix it? You need to work on making your ankles and hips more flexible so you can go down low safely. Fourth mistake, squatting too fast. If you're just rushing up and down to feel the burn, your form is probably not right. How to fix it? Control every movement up and down. Your butt muscles grow best with controlled work, not super fast movements. Remember, to squat in a way that really works your glutes, you need to practice patiently. Pay attention to these tips every time you work out, and you'll feel a big difference right where you want it. In your glutes, not just your front thighs. Your butt will thank you.